làng sinhว่านบัวเป็นน้อมหวีเนี่ยเมียนแรงสิ่งซ้ำยังให้กล้องเมียนไหวกล้องอีสิเจียวจันหวาโอเรื่องบัวหลุนว่าปานว่าบัวเฉียงฟานปุ่นบัวโกแต่ปานหวางโอThank you. I want to welcome everyone to the Laos Mien American Veterans 15th Annual Reunion and Remembrance Party. A huge thank you to the planning committee. Without you, none of these is not possible. Also want to thank everyone for attending and thank you for having me tonight. I'm honored to be speaking with you today on such an important occasion. We're here today to honor, recognize, and remember our Mien service members, their sacrifices, their achievement, and their dedications. They have the courage it takes to defend and fight alongside the American CIAs for our freedom during the secret war of Laos. For most of them, it was not by choice, but rather being unofficially drafted. Nevertheless, they served with dedication and conviction. Thinking of the heroes who join us in this group today, and those who are here only in spirit, a person can't help but feel astonished by the enormity of what we have encountered. We stand in the midst of patriots and the families and friends of those who have nobly served. I'd like to ask the service members and veterans who are here to stand. Thôi suy năm chỗ bữa chỗ bang bên địa thôn bữa chỉ xin tại quân bữa dịch xuống miền mùa chia tăng bữa quay lại bữa chính tu tại thảo này tập bùn tuกิน nhiều nhà cháu thôi suy bữa chỗ bang miền chỉ xin ồ. Lancio, thank you. So, we want to acknowledge these veterans, for without them we wouldn't be here today. Thank you for answering the call to duty. The service member we honor today share several fundamental qualities. They possessed courage, pride, determination, selflessness, dedication to duty and integrity. All the qualities needed to serve a cause larger than oneself. With that, thank you for your service. Again, thank you for allowing me to stay here, come here and say a few words. Again, thank you to the planning committee and all the participants. Everyone have fun and be safe. แรงจริงซ้ำโอไปออนอยู่ซุ้มเมียนเมืองโอ
แรงสิ่งสำคัญทั้งหมดทั้งที่แบบผู้ปุ่นตั้งด้วยโยเลียวนี่น่ะใส่ตาปุ่นเต็งเพี้ยนเมียอยู่นะไม่กลัวตะพุงด้วยนี่น่ะลุ้นเนี่ย